When we started AirTeam Heating and Cooling in 1989, we envisioned a company that provided personal care and comfort to homeowners across the Houston area.
With a couple of passionate individuals looking to provide impeccable service and attention to details since 1989 to today being one of the largest HVAC companies in the greater Houston area.
Today, staff members work around the clock to assist homeowners with their heating and cooling needs.
Even though we've grown by leaps and bounds, our values still remain the same.
As a family-oriented business, we pride ourselves on having the same values as our founders in 1989, providing impeccable customer service with attention to detail at the best prices.
After 30 years, we still provide service that many homeowners and property managers around Houston depend on.
With our own 20,000 square foot warehouse located in West Houston, we're able to provide repairs and services to many in the area.
Every day we work to further improve our services, dedication to our homeowners, builders, and property managers.
As was the heart and passion of our founders, we believe if you follow your heart, the rest will follow. Our BBB and Google ratings speak for themselves.
Certainly, you can get HVAC services anywhere, but we guarantee you'll be 100% satisfied when you choose AirTeam Heating and Cooling.
For all your heating and cooling needs, let AirTeam
Let AirTeam be.
Let AirTeam
Let AirTeam
Let AirTeam be your team.